In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Firefox shortcuts. First, you will need to open a new tab in your Firefox browser. You can do this by clicking on the plus sign at the top of the window or by pressing the Control key and T at the same time. This new tab is where you will enter a special address that will help you fix your shortcuts. Enter the address by typing about:support into the address bar and then pressing the Enter key. This page contains important information about your Firefox installation and can be very useful. Once you see the support page, you know you are on the right track. Next, once the About Support page loads, look for the Refresh Firefox button on the right side of the screen. This button is usually displayed in a prominent spot, making it easy to find. Clicking this button is a crucial step because it will reset your Firefox settings without affecting your bookmarks and passwords. It's a great way to resolve issues without losing your important data. After you click the button, you will notice a prompt asking you to confirm your action, ensuring that you want to proceed with refreshing Firefox. After that, confirm that you want to refresh Firefox. A dialog box will appear asking for your confirmation. This is an important moment because it helps prevent accidental changes. You can be confident that you're making a conscious decision to refresh your browser. Simply click the Confirm button or option provided in the dialog box to proceed. Once you confirm, Firefox will begin the process of refreshing itself. You will see a brief loading animation indicating that the refresh is in progress. Once the refresh is complete, Firefox will automatically restart. You will notice that your browser looks like new, with settings reset to their defaults. However, do not worry, your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords remain intact. This reset can often resolve various issues, including problems with shortcuts that may have been misconfigured. It's reassuring to see that your essential data is safe while still fixing the underlying problems you may have faced. Now you can test your Firefox shortcuts to see if the issues have been resolved. Open a new tab and try using your keyboard shortcuts to navigate or open pages. You should notice an improvement in how the shortcuts function. This is a great way to ensure everything is working smoothly again. If you find that your shortcuts are functioning as expected, then you have successfully completed the process. If the problems persist, consider additional troubleshooting steps, but refreshing Firefox often resolves most issues. You can feel proud that you took the initiative to fix your browser. Regularly refreshing your browser can help maintain its performance and ensure it runs smoothly. Each step you take is an investment in your browsing experience, leading to a more efficient workflow. In conclusion, refreshing Firefox is an effective way to resolve shortcut issues without losing your essential data. By following these steps, you have empowered yourself to manage your browser settings effectively. Thank you for following along in this video. Now you're ready to enjoy a smoother browsing experience with your newly fixed shortcuts. Happy browsing!